In this video, we're going to look at SSc1 Option 2 bird-friendly glass and answer a quick multiple-choice question. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is 10, Choice B is 20, Choice C is 30, and Choice D is 50. The correct answer is Choice C, 30. Glass installed below specified heights must have a threat factor less than or equal to 30, according to the American Bird Conservancy Threat Factor Database. Let's illustrate the zones where this applies. First, every glass panel up to 50 feet above grade must comply. Second, any glass up to 20 feet above a green roof must also comply. Finally, any glass used as guardrails or windshields at any height must also meet the same requirement. In all of these zones, the glass must have a threat factor of 30 or less. This requirement refers to the American Bird Conservancy Threat Factor Database, which rates how visible glass appears to birds. Keeping the threat factor at 30 or below helps birds safely see and avoid windows.